Hi students, let's look at this question here, which is taken from the year 2019 VJC JC1 Mid-Year Exam question 8. This is a question on application of differentiation, I believe. So the first part is pretty okay. I think for the first part, what usually students will make, as in would forgot, is to rearrange it and to directly differentiate this. So that is a very something which you need to take note, especially for ln. It's easier if you could just rearrange it. So y is equals to ln 1 minus x 1 plus x squared. This is half here, so you're asked to find dy dx. So what you're going to do is you just put 1 over y ln, and this is 1 minus x minus ln 1 plus x squared. Okay, so dy dx will just be 1 over 2 1 over 1 minus x times 1 minus chain rule minus 1 over 1 plus x squared times 2x. So if you have problem understanding chain rule, differentiate this outer layer and inside, multiply them. So this and this, and this and this. Alright, that is the fun part. So just rearrange. We will have got I'm just going to take the negative out just so that it becomes a nicer value. There you go. Alright, so that's how you do the first part.